to today's podcast, and I'm Anna. This is our first episode podcast. We will talk about something very busy in social media. Nothing else, which is perselingkuhan. Well, by the way, I'm not alone here today. I was accompanied by two of my friends, Fitri and Mutia.
Hello guys.
How are you today, girls?
Oh, I'm really good today.
It's good. Maybe what's not doing well is the celebrity world in this capital city. These aware topics really hard.
Oh my god. I think this year is a year of infidelity, right?
Yeah.
It's like when one of celebrity is really annoying, you know, Julie.
Yeah. I know her.
She cheating on her husband, yeah, with three of their children. Julie was bullying on TikTok, and Hamis, who was caught cheating on Pinterest.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. Well, I often see on X, application X, being cheating on Gojek application.
The hell, Gojek?
Yes, exactly, yes. Even on Roblox, children gaming,
Yes.
they're cheating on Roblox, guys.
Damn. Shit, man.
Damn.
Damn.
Yes, absolutely. Honestly, I'm sick of every time I open the news portal and then TikTok and also my neighbor WhatsApp stories. It's full of the gossip about celebrities' affair.
Okay, but seriously, in your opinion, yeah, why did the infidelity it happen?
I think one of the reason is because of they're not satisfied with their own relationship. Either lack of communication, lack of attention, or just because of ego. Nowadays, sometimes people can cheat because of unexpected things. The hell.
Yes, that's right. It can be seen not only celebrity, but also ordinary people like us can do this. Just like the time when I was eating with my sister at Gachuan, I saw a woman who was she was pregnant
Yeah.
and she's approaching her husband, and you know what? Her husband has dating with another woman, guys.
Oh my god.
And her wife is pregnant.
Yes.
My god.
Yes, this is also kind of social fact, yeah. Something that often happen and can affect people feels in relationship. So, do you think is the main reason why someone is cheating?
Oh, in my opinion, people usually doing cheating because they're not really grateful about what they already have. Just like Juliet, the
Yeah.
content creator.
Yeah.
Oh no, she's one of the example woman who not grateful because she has given the husband like Daehun,
Yes.
he's from
Oh my God.
Korean. Oh no, of course
Daehun.
he is handsome and green flag, but
Yeah.
instead Julie choose the man. Oh my God, please, you know what I mean, guys.
Yes, the opet one.
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
Yes.
Yeah, it's true, Fitri. But sometimes the reason of the problem is just not because of boredom. Sometimes the communication in the relationship has already broken. In the end, and each of them doesn't try to fix it. Yeah, in the end, the relationship is already broken. A third person comes and leads to divorce.
So, several causes has been mentioned earlier. So, from the side of the impact itself, how about it? The cheating one.
Wow, the impact is really big. Not only for the couple is cheated on, but also for the children. For the children if they are already married. and then for the reputation and trust of those people is already ruined. Yeah, you know, guys, that should have the biggest impact for their life.
Yes, that's right. Especially most celebrities, the impact is not only losing their job, but negative stigma and then heavy criticism from social media. Since we live in Indonesia, oh, the power of Indonesian netizens.
Yes, yes, yes.
Cancel culture is trending for
Yeah, cancel culture.
yes, for artists who look like that. But on the other hand, people now, what's that? They are realized to the importance of maintaining loyalty and honesty with what their partner.
Okay, if you look at a from social side, this phenomenon is from a new pattern, right? People became more open, loud about toxic relationship,
Yeah.
and give awareness to who want to be a relationship. Well, when we talk about infidelity, it often ends with sleeping separately or divorce. Many celebrity couples break up in messy way, but some of them still have managed to keep a healthy relationship. Yeah, for sake their children. For example, are you guys familiar with Acha Septritiasa and her husband?
Oh yeah, I follow Acha Septriasa's Instagram. Acha and Vicky seems really mature. As we know, well, they can still be together during their children moments, even though they are not living together anymore. And that's what they call co-parenting, right?
Waroink Gossippedia. Co-parenting is a collaborative parenting arrangement in which two parents, who are no longer in a romantic relationship, continue to share responsibilities in raising their child. It involves maintaining open, respectful communication, making joint decisions about the child's health, education, daily life, and supportive environments in both households. Co-parenting emphasizes keeping personal conflicts separate from parenting duties so the child can receive consistent care, feel secure, and maintain strong relationships with both parents. The primary goal is always the child's emotional and developmental well-being.
Yep, that's right. So the co-parenting is a term for parenting patterns where the father and the mother continue to work to raise their children, even though they are forced. So the focus is no longer on relationship, but their responsibility as a parents.
But honestly, I just found out and surprised when I found out that they're no longer together. Because they were also open the noisy celebrity type who spared their domestic problem to here and there.
Wow, don't you know the news that they are divorced? It's been a long time since they are broke up and are not together anymore.
Honestly, I just found out. So what about co-parenting? It's also the topic that we have to discuss.
So the parenting is based on the thought of a psychological lecturer from Sogi Jipranata Catholic University. Her name is Christy Wibowo, where she discussed that the co-parenting can help children still feel loved and safe, even though their parents are spirited.
Yeah, it makes sense because children need a figure from two sides, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like from the father side, they have to teach their children to responsibility and discipline, while the mother have to be more, what is that? For the mother is more affectionate and caring. If the two roles are still going on, the child will not feel completely lost.
Yes, same like Gading and Giselle, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
They are divorced, but their parents' role and love for Gempi as their daughter is not like him.
Yes, that's right, Fitri. I also respect how Gading and Giselle still take care of the Gempi. According to Miss Danti Wulanmanunggal from ibunda.id, there are a few important principles in co-parenting. One of them is the maintaining positive, like open communication and never using children as a messenger their parents.
Okay.
Yes, sometimes parents do this without realizing it. Yeah, especially when they're angry, right? But it actually harmful and can make the children is very feel stressed.
Yes, because what children really want most is really simple. They just want to see their parents respect each other so that they feel comfort and safe and also loved by their parents.
Yeah, so it can conclude that perselingkuhan can be the beginning for the spiritation, but divorce does not always have to end badly for the child, right?
Yes.
Yeah, if their parents are mature and then can cooperate each other, they can build their own relationship about how they can teach their children, yeah, comfortably.
Yeah.
Exactly. Sometimes in relationship as a couple cannot be safe, but in a relationship as a parents must be maintained. Because in the end, the most important thing is no longer about our relationship, but it's about our children. Wow, our discussion today podcast is really fun. From the beginning, talking about the celebrity infidelity, it turned out it can also be connected to a deeper thing, which is how couple who have divorced but still be mature and compact through the co-parenting.
Yeah, that's right. Because it turns out that the separation can be not perpisahan can be badly. They can avoid the drama and pain for their child. At the point, the maturity from the parent is tested. Whether he can still unit for the children or still put to work for his personal ego. Personal ego.
Yeah, so I think this also very important to remember that children do not ask to be born from divorced parents.
Yes.
So it's also our responsibility as a parents to keep giving best for them, whether it's time or even support for our children.
I totally agree, Fitri, because in the end, the co-parenting is not about reuniting our relationship, but uniting a good intention for the growth and development for children.
Yeah, and hopefully, guys, for the parents who's struggling out of there after this meditation, can continue to learn to be cooperate. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as they can be learn each other and also still have an effort. And yeah, the key point is communication.
Yes.
Absolutely true. So just like people say, marriages can be broken up, but being parents is forever.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. The quote is very deep, yeah. Very suitable for closing today episode.
Yeah, and for fellow listener out there, hopefully this conversation can give them new insight. And whether you are still dating, are you already married, are you in the phase of the beginning, a new page? Yeah, hopefully you can learn from this our podcast actually, the discussion about what is that co-parenting, right?
Yes.
Co-parenting.
And don't forget to keep listening our podcast because in the next episode we will discussing the same issue, social issue, of course. So don't forget to watching our next episode.
Yeah, stay tuned, guys.
Bye bye.